Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the Lenovo Tab E10. First, web browser, the Google Chrome, just click on the three dot icon and select New Incognito Tab. And that's it. The next one, Firefox, open the new tab and click on the Zero Mask. Now the Opera, click on the top icon. Switch to private and click on the red plus. And the last one, Microsoft Edge, click on the three-line button and choose New in Private tab. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.